Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll guide you through activating Face ID for quick and secure logins on the BBVA app. First, ensure you have the latest version of the BBVA app installed from the App Store. Also, make sure Face ID is set up for your phone itself in your iPhone settings. Next, open the BBVA app and log in securely using your existing credentials, username and password. Then, once inside the app, navigate to the Settings or Profile section, often found by tapping your initials or icon in the corner. Look for Security Settings or Login Method. After that, you should see an option for Face ID or Biometric Login. Toggle this switch on. The app will prompt you to authenticate with your face to confirm the setting. From now on, when you open the BBVA app, it will request Face ID authentication instead of your password, making your access both faster and more secure. Enjoy the convenience of secure, facial recognition banking with BBVA. If this guide made your BBVA login easier, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.